What does it mean to be a party to a lawsuit? This term is crucial in understanding how legal proceedings work and who's involved. Being party to a lawsuit means you're directly involved in the litigation, whether you're bringing the case or defending against it. In a civil lawsuit, there are typically two main parties. The plaintiff is the party that initiates the lawsuit, claiming to have been injured or wronged by the defendant's actions. The defendant, on the other hand, is the party being sued and must defend against the allegations. But lawsuits aren't always as simple as plaintiff versus defendant. There can be additional parties involved, each with their own role. For instance, a defendant might bring in a third-party defendant if they believe this party shares responsibility for the plaintiff's claim. In some cases, a defendant might file a counterclaim against the plaintiff, essentially becoming a counter-plaintiff. Other types of parties include respondents, who oppose appeals or petitions, and petitioners, who file requests for court rulings. Cross-complainants and cross-defendants can also be involved when one defendant sues another party in the same lawsuit. Naming the proper parties is crucial for a lawsuit to proceed. If the wrong party is named, the entire case could be dismissed. This is particularly important when suing businesses, as the legal name of a company might differ from its doing business's name. Plaintiffs must do their due diligence to ensure they're suing the correct legal entity. In civil lawsuits, the burden of proof typically lies with the plaintiff. They must prove their case by a preponderance of the evidence, meaning it's more likely than not that their claims are true. This is a lower standard than in criminal cases, where guilt must be proven beyond a reasonable doubt. Defendants, while not required to prove their innocence, may present affirmative defenses or mitigating circumstances. They must convince the judge or jury that the plaintiff's claims lack merit to avoid losing the case. Understanding these roles and responsibilities is essential for anyone involved in or considering legal action. Being party to a lawsuit carries significant implications, and knowing your role can help you navigate the complexities of the legal system more effectively.